Hello, this is Suzy from GP Motors. Today, I will introduce the Isuzu NPR trucks to you. NPR has a powerful power system which can satisfy various heavy-duty tasks, and it is equipped with a 5.2-liter Isuzu 4-cylinder diesel inline engine with its powerful power output. This engine can produce a strong power of 204 horsepower, allowing the vehicle to easily cope with various road conditions, whether it's a steep mountain road or a rugged construction site. It can move forward stably. In terms of body design, the NPR has shown its unique charm. The overall lines of the vehicle are smooth and the appearance is stable and majestic. The body structure is strong and durable, and adopts lightweight design to improve fuel economy and driving stability. At the same time, this trunk is also equipped with a variety of safety configurations such as the rear view mirrors and the small round mirror, and this is the assist blind mirrors, which can minimize the driver's blind spots and can improve the driving safety. In terms of interior, you can see the NPR has paid attention to the details and comfort. And you can see the space is very wide and the layout is also very reasonable. The addition of intelligent equipment such as LCD instrument panels, large central control screens, and so on, makes driving more convenient and efficient. NPR also has the outstanding safety performance. It is equipped with the advanced braking system and the stability control system to make sure the rapid response when we're facing the emergency situations, and it can ensure the safety of the drivers and cargoes. The frame is made of high-strength steel, so the weight of this truck is very light, and the payload of this truck is increased about 500 kg compared with other same-level trucks. And about the rear axle, you can see this is the rear axle, and the speed ratio of the rear axle is 4.1, which achieves the fuel economy. This truck is equipped with a 100-liter oil tank, and you can also choose to install the reserve fuel tank if you need it. Follow me to bring you more models. If you have any questions or needs about the trucks, please contact me.